Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a slow deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, breathing in and breathing out. With every breath, allow yourself to settle a little deeper. There is nothing you need to solve right now, nothing you need to figure out, nothing you need to carry for this next few moments. Just allow yourself to be here. Take another slow breath in, and as you exhale, imagine setting down everything you have been carrying. The thoughts, the worries, the expectations. Simply allow yourself to put them down for now. Feel the space that begins to appear when you are no longer holding everything. Take a moment to notice your breath. Notice how it moves through you without effort. Allow your body to become a little heavier. Let your shoulders drop. Let your hands relax. Allow your body to soften. Notice the feeling of your body becoming quieter, heavier, more at ease. Now, notice how different everything feels. There is no pressure here, no need to prove yourself, no need to rush toward the next thing. You have time, you have space. And from this space, begin to imagine what it feels like to move through life without pressure, without needing to prove yourself, without rushing toward what comes next, and feeling free to move at your own pace. Feel what it's like to trust yourself, to trust your own timing, to trust your own rhythm. Feel what it is like to be at peace with where you are. Allow yourself to rest in this feeling. For the next minute, it is just you surrounded by your own natural rhythm. Now, take one slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Begin to return to the present moment. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Welcome back.